Oh, so sleepy. Today is going to be my first time riding with a big group, Triumph Malaysia group to be specific. I is excited for it. I think there's at least 30 riders including myself, and we'll be heading to Hulu Selangor if I'm not mistaken. I don't really remember where we are going to, but yeah, I think it's going to be a enjoyable ride, but I don't think it's going to be a fast-paced ride since there's so many people. I didn't have enough sleep last night though. I only slept like 4 hours I think. For some reason I can't really sleep whenever I have ride the next day. So cool. Alright, obviously not everyone is here yet. Yo, huh? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, the leader is the green. The leader is the green tiger.
Is it the green tiger that I'm more fella?
Oh no.
Oh no, sorry, I was looking at the green shirt. Let's go! This is exciting.
Right and right.
What?
Right and right.
First Triumph ride. Where are you? All the way behind?
Yeah. Not really all the way. Yeah.
I thought there's like 30 of us, but I only counted 20.
20 lah, a lot of okay.
Damn quiet, right? Everybody's exhausted.
This kind of ride no need afra nah.
But sound pollution is better.
Loud fight saves life.
Don't you feel it's weird to see so many Triumph on the road?
Yeah. It's time to smoke honestly. But I didn't go used to it. I see so many such people once.
Yeah lah, you've already joined group rides a few times. It's my first time, so it feels a bit weird to see so many Triumphs on the road all of a sudden. The Tai Chi hoodie I initially wanted to buy, I think. Not sure if it's that one or not.
Wow.
Wait, what? The water splash on me one? His exhaust ah?
Huh? Yeah.
Wait, it's raining lah?
Wait, you know?
It's drizzling. Is it not? No water droplets on your visor?
Oh, no, can't see. My visor quite dirty. I think I better just rain mode, road mode on this the ride. Not so fast.
I'm only worried about the rain.
Fuck you!
Fuck you!
See like you won't ride there, after that go and think about rain.
Imagine if it starts raining heavily, I U-turn straight, go home.
Bye! Yeah.
I already checked the weather. It seems to be sunny throughout the day. Maybe just for a while, hopefully. panasnya.
Panas gila babi.
Whoa, a butterfly almost flew into my helmet. I just realized my helmet strap is starting to tear.
What? How?
No, the outer layer only.
Oh,
It's a sign.
trying to change, boy.
But no money. Wait for eToro money, ah.
Wait for 3 months, I think. Ulu jam lah. Yeah. Better I just buy this.
Yes, stop.
Yeah, going downhill. Yeah, almost done already. No more already.
Why got so fast?